Here is a roster upload sheet from Kakua. Your Kakua representative sent you a copy of your roster upload document. In the document, you have the top row, the heading row, highlighted in gold. These are your This is your previous campus upload from last year. Right now, you have all of the people that were uploaded into your campus profile from the previous year. What you're going to do is you're going to go and look at this list and find all of the staff members that are no longer with you. You're going to simply highlight their names, like Nancy, and highlight it and change it to yellow, the whole row, and then you're going to change it to no if that person is no longer with you. Then at the bottom, if everyone else is correct, you're going to add new members to the bottom of the list. Their title, their first name, last name, and title. If this staff member will not be able to request an assignment, all you're going to do is you're going to just enter the school's phone number in their profile. I'm just going to copy and paste this. And then you do not have to put the school email address or their school email address. If the person is going to be able to request assignments, you need to type in their Gmail account, their email account. And their role. And then go in and just type in yes. You will do this for every new staff member that you have added to your campus. And once you've done this, you're going to submit this. You're going to save it and email it to us here at your specialist at Kakua.ed. Thank you.